Hey y'all, it's Amanda with Seven Sparrows Farm, and today we are banding poultry. So every year we add to our poultry flock, but at some point we're going to need to cull girls, and that means we're going to pull the oldest layers out and send them on to greener pastures, as it were. But we have to know who they are, because once they grow up, they all look very similar. Their size isn't any different or anything. So every year we pick a color, and the girls from the year prior get banded. Why do we do it that way? Okay, I could band the new girls. I could do that. But the fact is that they're gonna grow, and I am worried that if I put a band on them now that looks like it fits, that somewhere come December it's gonna start cutting into their leg and I'm not gonna notice. So I prefer to band the 1-year-old chickens. Also, this is the kind of band that we use. It's a spiral, it's pretty flexible. The other kinds that you might see on the market are ones that look like zip ties or ones that come around and lock together at the ends. I prefer the spiral, again, because if they grow or if something happens, it has little give, it can expand. I'm just worried that something's gonna get too tight on their leg and injure them. This one that I'm using is a size 11, and that is 11/16 of an inch. It should fit. If I had roosters, I would probably use something bigger, but this will probably be good for my laying hens. "12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so just a quick logistical note. The way that I do this is I know that I have 18 girls that need to be banded today. So I have counted out 18 bands and put them in a cute little pile. And when I've used up all my bands, I know I've got all my girls banded. That's a lot easier than going around the chicken yard chasing everybody down going, did I get you? Did I get you? Did I get you? Another way to do it is you could just band them as they come out of the coop in the morning. I wasn't prepared to do that, so I didn't do that this morning. So this is how I'm going. You just open it up like this, and put it on their leg, and then twist it into place. And it should move freely. That's very important. Go on. You just open it up. It's like your car keys. And then I get a leg, and I stick it in there. Oops, sorry, baby. And then I just twist it until it's on, and make sure it moves around. So pretty. So the last step in the process is record keeping. You want to have a notebook that you write down the color band, the year it's from, and how many girls you banded that day. That way, when their time is up, you'll know. Thanks for joining us on the farm today, guys. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Also, if there's any topics you want us to cover in our videos, just leave us a comment.